Hey guys, welcome back. Blind Tom's Adventures. This one's going to be a little bit different. I'm going to show you guys how to make something for your girlfriend, your wife, because she has to deal with you pain in the ass. So sometimes you have to do something nice for her. And what better way? Take these junk Chevy parts. I can't think any other reason that you'd have this stuff. Take old junk cam, a couple time chain covers, and some push rods, piece of rebar. We're gonna make something here. So I already took the cam, cut the end of it off. Tried to cut it with a chop saw. That was pretty difficult, pretty hardened steel. I guess I should have got one on a 76 Chevy that eats cams all the time. But anyways, bunch of junk got laying around. Perfect use for Chevy parts right here. So I'll show you guys how to do this. So your girlfriend, your wife will think you're the most amazing person there is. And give you a good excuse to have junk laying around. So, I can't really hold the camera and do this, so I'll be back in a minute. Hey guys, so see what I did here? Took the camshaft, welded one on here, welded another one on. How do I weld blinded? Just close my eyes and move it around. But, yep, my girlfriend loves butterflies, so I'm making this into a butterfly. Got a couple push rods I'm gonna put on here somewhere, wherever. Can't tell where I'm really going. And then this will go on the ground, paint it up. That'll be a nice little yard art. Show you when I get a little farther. Okay, so yeah, there you guys go. Butterfly, I just gotta throw some paint on it now. Good thing is about yard art, it doesn't have to be perfect. And just stick together, throw some, and put some purple, some red, some yellow, some black on it. Make it look like a nice butterfly. There you go, it took me all 5 minutes to throw it together. Hardest part as I had was I couldn't see where my welding rod was. So yeah, best thing for Chevy parts, make yard art out of it. Thank you guys for watching. Remember, like, subscribe. Don't let your disabilities hold you back. Good way to make your girlfriend keep your junk around. So there you guys go. Threw some paint on it. I got a yard sale, $5 for a whole milk crate full. There it is. Thank you guys for watching.